name is Emilio Melendez, and today we're going to be discussing what is a description meta tag. Now, in our last class, we explained what are titles, and titles always appear up here, and we also explained about this area here. This is the Google Maps. So Google Maps is on here, and we're going to use the example of this company. This is the company that's coming up first for Miami SEOs. So if I live in Miami, I'm looking for a very good company to do my SEO. I should try to find it in the search engines, because if they are ranking number 1 for Miami SEOs, I guess they should know what they're doing. All right, so again, I put in the word Miami SEOs. I have Google Maps here. Another thing you should always look at is the results. How many people are competing for that word Miami SEOs? Well, here we can see there's always 1 to 10 pages in Google. So from results 1 to 10 of about 3,460,000 companies. Very interesting. So this company was able to be number 1 for the word Miami SEOs, as we put in here, within 3,460,000 companies. Now, you have to remember that the title you can see, but the meta description is a description that the customers actually never see, but the search engines do see it. Always include your title keywords in your description. Very, very important. Always include your keywords in your description. Now let's go and look at this company. I'm going to disappear for a second. And as you see, I have my mouse here. And my mouse is going to click directly on this page, Unlimited Web Designs. Now, as you can see, this is the title, Miami SEO Company, SEO in South Florida. So it's always smart to use your keywords, words that define your product or service, in your title. It also is very important to put your keywords in your meta description. Now, as you can see, the meta description is not seen by your customer. It's inside your program. It's very, very, very easy to put in. We're going to be giving a class to explain that. But basically, I'm now going to go into the source. But before I go into the source, do you see here? Miami SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Basically, what Google wants is to make sure that your title, your description, your keywords, and your content have to do with what you're trying to tell the customer, your service, or your product. That's all Google's trying to do, and all the other search engines are doing the same. These are algorithms. So their algorithms are made to make sure that what you say you're selling, the customer can find and see a good website. Now, I'm going to disappear again for a second, and I'm going to go and look for the source. So basically what you do is you click here on your left, on your mouse on your left side, and you'll see here where it says source. Now, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but here's the title, Miami SEO Company, SEO in South Florida, and right here is your description, meta name description. Okay, content Miami SEO by Unlimited Web Design, South Florida SEO. So as you can see, basically what they're doing is they're putting their keywords, they put them in the title, as you can see up here, Miami SEO Company, SEO in South Florida, and they put them in the description, something very, very important. The description is looked by Google. The rest of the search engines look at keywords. So Google is one of the few search engines that actually looks at the description. And that's why it's so important, if you want to optimize for Google, to write that description. 165 characters is the longest you should write it. Okay? And remember to use your keywords. Now, let's go back, or I'm going to highlight here the description. So you guys can see it. This is in the source. And again, we're going to be giving you a class of how to do that, because it's so easy to do. It's incredible. And most of these programs that they offer you let you put in your title, your keywords, and your descriptions. It's very, very easy. But on the other hand, I see about, I don't know, 80–90% of the websites do not have a title, a keyword, or descriptions. Description and meta tag, that's incredible. Why that is, I can't understand at this moment of life when SEO is so important that someone wouldn't know how to do three of the most simplest things there is. Title, description, and keywords. Okay, so let's go back. I'm going to disappear again. And I'm going back to Google. Now, as you can see, I'm going to be moving this way. Google will always put your title first and then your description. Now, down here is the domain name. People barely look at the domain name. It's all the way down here. It's hidden. So that's why we're always saying it's so important to put your title, your description, meta tag description, and your meta tag keywords. This is the next class we're going to be giving, and I hope you can listen it. And my name is Emilio Melendez, and have a happy SEO day. Thank you very much.